The Goose and the Golden Egg. Once there was a countryman who possessed the most wonderful goose you can imagine. For every day, when he visited the nest, the goose had laid a beautiful glittering golden egg. The countryman took the eggs to the market and soon began to get rich. But but it was not long before he grew impatient with the goose because she gave him only a single golden egg a day. He was not getting rich fast enough. Then one day, after he had finished counting his money, an idea came to him that he could get all the golden eggs at once by killing the goose and cut it open. But when the deed was done, not a single golden egg was found, and his precious goose was dead. So the story ends, and the moral is greed is curse.